Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to show your phone number to everyone on the Telegram app using your PC. Telegram recently updated its settings, so if you'd like to make your number visible to all users, I'll guide you step by step on how to do it quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once the app is open, look towards the top left-hand corner of the screen. You'll notice 3 horizontal lines. This is the main menu button. Go ahead and click on those 3 lines to open the dashboard panel. From here, you'll see a list of options. The one we're interested in is Settings. Click on Settings and you'll be taken to a page where you can control everything about your Telegram account. On the left-hand side, you'll notice different categories. The section you need is called Privacy and Security. Open that up, and you'll see all the tools related to your privacy preferences. Now focus on the section labeled Phone Number. This is where you decide who can see your number. By default, Telegram may have it set to Nobody or My Contacts. But since our goal is to make it visible to everyone, you'll need to click on Phone Number. A new window will pop up with different options for visibility. Here you'll see choices like Everybody, My Contacts, and Nobody. Simply select Everybody. This setting allows all Telegram users to view your phone number if they search for you or interact with your profile. Once you've chosen Everybody, don't forget the most important part, saving your changes. Look towards the bottom of the pop-up and click Save. Now your phone number settings are officially updated, and it will show to everyone on Telegram. That's it. You've just adjusted your privacy preferences to display your phone number publicly. This update makes it simple to customize who can find and reach you. And with these steps, you're fully in control of your visibility. If this walkthrough helped you, take a moment to follow along for more straightforward tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching.